I've had so many requests for this lately. I just wanted to share with you my version of bulletproof or keto coffee. Hi guys, I wanted to share with you my version of keto coffee or bulletproof coffee. So after fasting for about 16 hours overnight, this is the first thing I drink in the morning. And it's basically just a bulletproof coffee full of good fats for you to get your day started right. The main benefit of eating keto coffee, the idea is that you're putting fats, good fats, in your body to keep you satiated. Satiated is just a fancy word that means that you're not hungry. So you're not getting the morning cravings, you're not craving sugar, toast, the bad sugar. So this really is a good start to your day. Some of the main ingredients that you're going to have is going to be the coconut oil, heavy whipping cream, not half and half. I'm talking about the good stuff, heavy whipping cream. We have the collagen peptides, which are wonderful for your skin. And we have grass-fed butter. Okay, we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter. A couple of tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I use approximately a teaspoon of coconut oil and a scoop of the collagen peptides. We're going to put that in the microwave for 1 minute, and then we'll make our coffee. So I've just pulled out my cup of coffee out of the microwave, and I like to add my sugar-free flavorings to it. You can do French vanilla, Irish cream, hazelnut, English toffee, any other flavor that you can find. These are all sugar-free. They're excellent. I like to brew a cup of Sumatra coffee from the Keurig. So that's the next step. This is what's going to give it that gourmet flair. This is my favorite part. You're going to pour your coffee into a Ninja or any blender that you have. We're going to pulse or blend for about 10 seconds and it's done. After we blended it, we're just going to pour it into our cup. It's nice, hot, frothy. It's as easy as that. You're in and out the door in like 5 minutes or less. Wonderful, frothy, hot coffee. If you like this quick, easy recipe, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. The idea behind the bulletproof coffee is that